Now let's take a look at the MadSoft Premier features, the discount book and the price group. These are the 4 topics that we'll be covering today. First, let's watch a video to see the sales invoice before the price group setting and the discount book setting. Before using the MadSoft price group feature, let's take a look at the effect on the sales invoice. In our example, we are using the AAT thermometer. Okay, the purchase price is $10. Okay, there's a sales discount of 2%, and the minimum selling price is $15, and the list price selling price is $30. Okay, let's go to our sales invoice. Okay, let's choose a customer and the stock code AAT thermometer. So the unit price $30 will appear, a sales discount of 2%, that is 60 cents. So the amount will be $29.40. Okay, let's take a look at the tax invoice. Okay. So then tax invoice would show the stock code, the unit price, the discount amount, and the amount after discount. Now let's take a look at the price group feature. MadSoft price group feature allows us to be able to define 4 different selling methods for a maximum of 6 different classifications of customers. The 4 different selling methods are method number 1, setting different selling price for different types of customers. Method number 2, setting discount in dollar amount or in percentage. Method number 3, define profit margin in percentage. And method number 4, set unit price by quantity. First, we need to define the 6 different classifications of customers. Let's watch a video to see how to do the setup. To use the MadSoft price group feature, first we need to go to the systems option and go to the price group column and tick the 6 boxes and name the different types of customers. In our example, we are using corporate, dealer, distributor, retailer, subsidiary, and walk-in. These names can be changed according to the needs of the user. Next, we need to go to our stock item listing and choose the stock. We are using AAT thermometer and go to the price group column. And MadSoft allows users to use 4 different types of selling methods. Method number 1 will be looking at the effect on the sales invoice. We are looking at the different unit selling price for corporate, $25, and unit selling price for dealer is $20. Method number 2, we can define the discount either in percentage or in dollar amount. So for discount for distributor will be 10%, and for retailer we're giving it a $10 discount. Method number 3, the profit margin for subsidiary we are using 50%. And method number 4, we are defining the unit price by quantity for the walk-in customers. We will be looking them in depth in the examples later. Next, we need to go to the customers listing and select which customer use which price group. Okay, so I'm going to show only 2 examples. The Max Clinic, I've decided to use this customer as a retailer. Click Save. And the next customer, Zoe, okay, this will be in the walk-in customer. Okay, so you can carry on with the rest of the customers listing. Now, we need to define the 4 different selling methods. Let's watch the next video to see how to set up the 4 different selling methods. Now, let's take a look at the effect of the price group on the sales invoice. Let's look at method number 1, that is the different unit selling price. For corporate will be $25 and unit selling price for dealer is $20. Let's go to the sales invoice. Okay, so we select the customer first. So for corporate customer is Zone Hill Private Hospital. Okay, next we just select our thermometer. Okay. So in the price group, click on the button and it will display the listing. This is the settings we have set earlier, and we just click on the price group. So it will show me my unit selling price $25, and this matches with the $25 on the screen. So I will click on the preview on tax invoice. So it will show me $25 unit price. Next, we will go to the next customer for dealer. That is Post Public Hospital. and choose the stock code. Okay. So for the price group, you can see that unit selling price is $20 and it matches. Okay. Let's take a look at the tax invoice. So it will show me unit price $20. Now let's see the method number 2, effect on the sales invoice. For distributor customer, we are using a 10% discount. For our retailer customer, we are using a dollar amount that is $10. So let's go to our sales invoice. Okay. First, let's take a look at our distributor customer, that is Star Medical Store Private Limited. Okay, we will choose the thermometer and click on the table. So now you can see that unit price tallies with the list price that we have set in the stock list item listing, and the list on the stock item listing, the 2% discount will be overwritten by the setting in our price group. So on the table discount column here, it will show 10% instead of the 2%. Okay, let's take a look at our tax invoice. So it will show the unit price of $30, 10% on $30, the discount will be $3. So the amount after discount will be $27. Okay. Let's take a look at the next customer. That's the retailer, that is Max Clinic Private Limited. Choose the thermometer. Okay. So the unit price will remain $30. The price group setting now will show the $10 in dollar amount instead of the 2% as well. Okay. Let's take a look at the tax invoice. So it will show the unit price of $30 minus $10 discount, amount $20 after discount. Now let's take a look at the effect of method number 3 on the sales invoice. We're setting a profit margin of 50% for our subsidiary customer. Let's go to the sales invoice. Our subsidiary customer will be True Pharmacy Private Limited. Okay, call up the thermometer. Okay. So from this table, how do we arrive on the unit price of $15? Okay. Our normal purchase price is $10, and for the price group setting, profit margin of 50%. This profit margin 50% is on top of the normal purchase price. So 50% of $10 will be $5. So the new unit price will be $15. So let's take a look at the tax invoice. So it will show the new unit price of $15. Now let's see the effect of method number 4 on the sales invoice. For our walk-in customer, for 1 piece to 5 pieces, the unit price will be $15. For 6 pieces to 10 pieces, the unit price will be $10. And for 11 pieces to 15 pieces, the unit price will be $8. Okay, let's go to the sales invoice. Our walk-in customer will be Zoe. Okay. Thermometer. Let's say the customer buys 12 pieces. Okay, let's take a look at the price group setting. So for 12 pieces, that will fall into this column here, 11 to 15 pieces. So the unit price will be $8. So the unit price shows $8. Okay. Let's take a look at the tax invoice. So it's 12 pieces of $8, so the total amount $96. Okay. So let's say for Zoe, the walk-in customer, let's see the change in quantity. Let's say instead of now they are buying 8 pieces. Okay. So it will fall into this column here. 6 to 10 pieces, the unit price will be $10. Okay. So now it will show the unit price for 8 pieces is $10 each, so total amount $80. The benefits of the price group feature is number 1, it can define a maximum of 6 customer classifications. Benefit 2, each customer classifications can define 4 different selling methods, namely the selling price, the item discount by percentage or amount, profit margin by percentage, or unit price by quantity. Next, let's go to the discount book feature. The discount book feature is an enhancement to the price group feature. We are able to set a promotion period, setting the minimum quantity, the discount type in amount or percentage to customers with the stock items, and the customers could be for all customers or a particular customers, or we can go by customers classification by the customer category or by the price group settings. And the stock items can also be for all stock items, for a specific stock item, or by stock classifications by stock category, by stock group, or by the stock class. And in our example, we'll be using a promotion period, setting the minimum quantity, the discount type in amount or percentage with a customer, particular customer, and by stock classification by the stock category. The MadSoft discount book feature allows us to use the stock item by the stock category, using it with unlimited number of customers with unlimited promotion periods. So now let's watch the next video to see how we are able to use this discount book feature. To use the MadSoft discount book feature, first we need to go to the systems option and go to the premier feature column and tick the box use discount book. Following that, next we need to set the promotion period in the price and discount effective period. So in our example, we are using the January promo. Okay, so it's the school starting promotion. The period will be from the 2nd of January 2017 to 31st of January 2017. Next, then we need to set the discount details in the discount book. Okay. So the period will be January promo. Okay. You can set for all the customers or a particular customers, or all the stocks or all the particular stock. So in our example, we are using the AAT thermometer. Okay. Now we are setting the discount terms. Okay. So if we are buying 5 pieces and above, the discount will be $8. MadSoft discount book items also allows the users to set discount not only for a particular stock item, but we can set a discount by stock classifications. So let's see an example for discount by the medical equipment. Okay. So if the customers buy 5 units and above, the discount per item will be $10. Okay. So let's do the save. Now let's take a look at the stock items. Which items belongs to the medical equipment? Okay, so you can see the groupings. The medical equipment on the stock list is AAT thermometer and Acer M150 heart pacer watch. The rest doesn't belong to the medical equipment group. So now let's take a look at the effect on the sales invoice. Okay, customer, let's choose Star Medical Store Private Limited. Okay, so for the stock item, medical equipment, let's use back the thermometer. Okay, the normal selling price is $30. Let's say they buy 10 pieces and above. Let's say they buy 20 pieces. So 20 pieces. Discount per item is $10, so the total discount will be $200. Okay, so let's take a look at the tax invoice. Now 20 pieces at unit price $30, total is $600, but the discount $200, so the amount after discount will be $400. Now let's see the effect of the discount book feature on the sales invoice. So we are setting the discount for all the customers. Whoever buys the AAT thermometer, 5 pieces and above, there will be a discount of $8. So now let's go to the sales invoice. Okay, we'll choose any of the customers. Let's say it's Max Clinic Private Limited. The date will be in the January. Okay, so it's 31st Jan 2017. So we're choosing the AAT thermometer. So you can see this is the unit price is the $30 is the normal list price that we have set under the stock item. Okay. So just now for the discount book feature, so we are buying 5 pieces or above. So let's say this customer buys 6 pieces, so there will be a discount of $8. So 330 times 6, $180 minus a discount of $8. So the amount will be 172. So let's take a look at the tax invoice. So we will show the amount after discount, $172. Unit price 30 and the quantity 6 pieces. Next, let's take a look at the combined price group feature and the discount book feature. Let's watch a video to see the discount book feature with the price group feature. Next, let's take a look at the combined price group feature and the discount book feature. Let's watch a video to see the discount book feature with the price group feature. MadSoft solution software allows the users to use both the price group feature and the discount book feature together. So let's see how we can do the setup. We'll be using our AAT thermometer. Okay, the normal list price is $30. Let's take a look at our price group. We are using the walk-in category of customer. So let's take a look at the unit price by quantity. For 1 piece to 10 pieces, the unit price will be $25. 11 pieces to 50 pieces, the unit price will be $20. 51 pieces to 100 pieces, the unit price will be $15. Okay. So this is the setting for the price group. Next, we need to go to our customer's account. Okay, the listing. We need to choose which customer belongs to the walk-in category. So we'll be using Zoe. So we must tick the box, use price group, and select the walk-in. Save. Next, we need to go and set the price and a discount effective period. So we'll be using the July promo. Okay, this is the school mid-term promotion. The period will be from the 1st of July 2017 to 31st July 2017. Save. Now we need to set the discount book settings. Click on New. Okay. The promo code will be the July promo. Okay. Customers classification for the price group, we are selecting walk-in, and the stock item we are using AAT thermometer. Okay. For the discount setting, if the customer buys 100 pieces and above, we are using the percentage. They'll be receiving a 50% discount. Save, and the setting is set. Let's see the effect on our sales invoice. Okay, for the customer, walk-in customer is Zoe. The date has to be in July, so I'm going to change to 31st of July 2017. Stock code will be using AAT thermometer. The customer buys 100 pieces. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, the normal list price is $30. So let's take a look at our price group setting. 51 pieces to 100 pieces, the unit price will be $15. So the unit price $15 will be shown on the unit price column. And the discount 50% is following our discount book setting. 100 pieces and above will be receiving a 50% discount. Now let's take a look at our tax invoice. Okay, the tax invoice will show the AAT thermometer, 100 pieces at unit price $15. So the total amount will be $1,500. 50% discount on 1,500 will be $750. Therefore, the amount after discount will be $750. The benefits of combining the discount book feature with the price group feature is: number 1, each stock item can sell in 6 different groups of customers. Number 2, each group has 4 selling methods, namely selling price, item discount by percentage or amount, profit margin by percentage, unit price by quantity. Number 3, define promotion period to customers and to different types of stock items. Number 4, define minimum quantity with special discount in percentage or amount for all stock items or specific stock item or stock classifications by stock category, by stock code, by stock class to all customers or specific customer, or customer classification by customers category or by price group.